Silo for reflection. A quote a biblical passage that relates with your module experience. Therefore, a man leaves his father and mother, clings to his wife, and they become one flesh. Genesis 2 verse 24. Rather. This passage reminds me that marriage is a sacred union designed by God, built on love, unity, and companionship. What are the learning activities and experiences done in the module? In this module, I read reflected on the Old and New Testament's teachings about marriage, including the creation stories in Genesis, the story of the first sin. The prophets teachings Jesus' presence at the wedding at Cana, and Saint Paul letters about marriage and celibacy. I also wrote a love letter to God for the laudatory task and created a Venn diagram for the benedicere task, comparing biblical and cultural views on marriage. What did I learn from the task that I've done in this module? I learned that marriage is not just a social contract or tradition, it is a sacred covenant and a sacrament. Marriage calls for love, faithfulness, forgiveness, and unity. I also realized that marriage is a path to holiness when lived with God at the center. I felt that I did well in the benedicere task, as creating a Venn diagram helped me clearly that similarities and the differences between biblical teaching and cultural practices. What did I do well in this particular module? I was able to reflect on the spiritual meaning of marriage and express understanding in a clear and personal way through my love letter to God. I also did well in organizing ideas in the benedicere task, showing my understanding of both biblical and cultural perspective. E. What are my strengths and weaknesses that I have discovered in accomplishing this task in this module? My strength is that I can reflect deeply and understand spiritual teachings. My weakness is that I sometimes struggle to organize my thoughts clearly in long reflections, but I learn to simplify my ideas and focus the main lessons. How do I feel about my work performance, and what were the challenges, difficulties that I've encountered in finishing Silo task? I feel satisfied and grateful for what I learned in this module. The main challenge was considering a lot of information into clear personal reflections. However, completing the task, especially the Venn diagram, helped me focus on the most important lesson about marriage and how to apply them in life.